Daryl, thank you so much for coming over.
My pleasure.
Oh my gosh, and placing my second order. I just love my kit.
Great.
Oh.
I see you've got your Aria going. How do you like that?
Oh, I love that aria.
I
It's
remember-
just so
yeah.
calming. I turn it right on when I come
Oh,
home.
it's beautiful. I remember the first time I got it and I heard that music and I had it in the kitchen. I thought, oh, why did I wait so long? Then you didn't wait,
And
so
I
you're
didn't wait,
smart.
yeah.
So, yeah, what do you think?
Yeah, well, I'm so glad you came over too because I have so many questions.
Okay, great.
So,
That's what I'm here for.
okay, all right. So I I have like a budget of placing my order.
Okay.
About like $400 or $500.
Okay,
You know,
that's
my
great.
husband, just wants
Okay,
to,
no, that's fine.
and the holidays around the corner. And
Yeah, so
there's
you kind
much
of want
spending.
some,
Yeah.
about some questions and ideas
Yeah.
from the catalog or?
Well, I love everything in this catalog. There is so much in here. It's going right along with everything being more natural. And oh my gosh, I've got makeup that I can get.
Yeah.
So many things. Stuff.
I
in
know,
my
when I
face
first
and-
looked at that, I thought, whoa, this company is seriously,
I thought it was just
covering
oils.
every category of our life
Yeah.
with oils. So what'd you think of our holiday
I
catalog?
love that too. Oh my gosh. And thank goodness, you gave me this. I was so glad to get this from you.
Yeah,
The
they
holiday
come,
catalog.
now they're coming in every order.
Oh, they are.
But one thing you have
Okay.
to know is that a lot of these things are already sold out. They have a limited number,
Mm.
and a lot of them are limited editions, and they expire at the end of the year. So you basically have about 40 days. And so if you're gonna order anything, you might wanna think about what you wanna order.
Well, I better ask you then, because I
Yeah,
already
sure,
have
go
some of
ahead.
these on my list.
That's fine.
Okay, the Vitality Culinary Kit.
Okay.
I love
Oh,
that.
I got that.
I'm gonna
I
be
love that.
baking and cooking. It comes with a stainless steel bowl. It comes with a catalog, a recipe book, and this
Mm-hmm. Okay.
bamboo tiered display for my oils. Oh
Love
my
it.
gosh! And then the tools, and I can't believe this is amazing. And the price.
Well, you know what I like about it is when people come into my kitchen and they see that, they're like, oh, you can cook with these? And I love sharing the fact that they're so pure that they're ingestible and they're really, really great for cooking.
I love that about this. I thought it was just aromatherapy.
No?
That's all. Yeah.
Okay, so,
So,
go ahead.
and then the other thing was the Wellness Warrior set. Supplements are really big for me.
So why don't we go ahead and start tallying? And just
Okay.
kind of let me know when you get to a halfway point.
Okay.
And so total in that.
Okay, so my Vitality Culinary Kit is $72.75.
Okay.
Wellness Warrior set is $119.25 for 4
Mhm.
of these supplements. And then I was going to throw in my toothpaste.
Oh, you're gonna love the toothpaste.
Okay.
You're going to love it.
Good. Well,
You can use less because it's so concentrated. It really makes your breaths fresh, and some people are actually experiencing some, supporting the pockets of the teeth.
oh, awesome.
Yeah.
Good.
So
Good.
we love that.
All right. And I love the thieves smell. I love thieves. That's one of my favorite products. Yes. So I love that. There's this whole
So I have
line.
to assume that you went crazy when you saw the roll-ons, or?
Yes, actually, I did. Yes, I'm gonna have to now order 5 of them.
Really?
Yeah.
What are you gonna do?
Oh
with
my
five?
gosh, my sister needs one.
Okay.
She's got kids in the
Mhm.
car. They're always
Oh,
got
that's a good
something.
idea.
Yeah. And then I've got my husband. He doesn't like putting the oils on his hands. He likes to put something more for in the pocket. This
Excellent.
is perfect. For me, I need it for my purse. Put it on my neck.
Mm-hmm.
I love rubbing it in my neck. And then my sons, definitely. Yeah.
It's very concentrated, and it's really good going into the flu season and colds and weather change to have that, because it's 99.9 kills germs, and that's what's been
Wow. Oh my
tested
gosh, that's
and
awesome.
researched, and that's right up there with Lysol. And so
Oh, and
this
that
is all
Lysol.
natural,
Oh, yeah.
100% natural.
I don't like the smell of Lysol.
No, but you're gonna love our roll-ons. As a matter of fact, they're so convenient. There's about 200 drops in each one, and that goes a long way.
Oh, that sounds good.
And so when you're using it, and you have the convenience of popping it into your purse, rolling it on your neck, you're gonna wanna start maybe next month ordering some of the other roll-ons. They're fabulous.
Yeah,
Okay.
they have more roll-ons?
Yeah,
Oh my-
there's 6 more.
Oh my gosh.
Online. So go
Okay.
ahead and add that in.
Okay.
And let me know when you're halfway to your budget.
Okay, so now I'm at 313.50.
Okay. And is there anything else that you had a question about?
Yeah, this Ninja. I love the Ninja. Actually, is that how you pronounce it? Yeah. Oh, good. I pronounced it right?
Yeah.
That's amazing because it's just very different. Okay. So can you tell me about this? Like, what is
Yeah,
this?
actually,
It's so good.
you know, everyone's like, what's the name, Ningxia? Gary Young researched where the most Centaurians, people over 100, lived in the world, and it's this little town in China called Ningxia, China. And he studied their lifestyle and noticed that they didn't do anything different, their diet, but the only thing that was different is that they ate goji berries, which are also referred to as wolfberries, all day long. And they turn out to be one of the highest antioxidants in the world. They're very high in 2 components that are very essential for the aging eye, which is lutein and zeaxanthin. One of the things that I found so fascinating about this is that when you hear about, supporting the eyes, there's kale and tomatoes are high in lutein, and they're on a scale of like 7 or 8, and goji berries are 241.
Oh,
and they're not even in the same league as the greens. The goji berries are off the scale.
Oh my goodness.
So this drink is centered around that, and of course all of our products are oil infused. But Ningxia is our only signature drink, and it's so delicious. You can spike your water with it. You can throw these little packets in the freezer and sip them. So, but if you order these, I think they're in the gift catalog.
Yeah, I
too.
did notice that, and I want to get a couple bottles. And can I get these? Did they come in a
30. Yes, you can get them in a 30 pack.
Okay, because I didn't see it in here. I just saw the 2-pack, and then
Okay.
it's actually in here. Okay. Well, can I add that in?
Yes.
Then? Okay, so the 30-pack, and then also the from the holiday catalog, the 2 bottles. Okay, so now I'm over 473.
Okay, I remember that you had said on the phone something about you wanted to order some sacred frankincense, but I think you're at your budget. So maybe you can order sacred frankincense next month?
Yes, I would love that.
And was there
Can I
any-
get that before Christmas?
Yeah,
'Cause
if
that
you
was
order
really-
it early
oh
enough,
my
sure.
gosh.
And I don't know if there was
love-
any, you were talking about, the 3 wise men and how you were so
Yeah.
excited about that they brought, what did they bring?
Gold, frankincense, and myrrh.
And
to
I
baby
think you
Jesus.
said, I want to order the myrrh and they have, and have like a whole little setting of that.
Yeah, I
But
love
if you
that.
want to wait, then you can do
I
that.
think I'm gonna have to, because
Okay.
I'm kind of on a budget this month.
Yeah, okay, so that'll do it, all right? Are you over 400 now?
I am.
Okay, great. Okay, well, I wanted to talk to you about some of these products that are on the table here. You might have noticed them.
Yeah, I
So,
did.
yeah. So there is the Nutmeg Vitality.
Wow, I've only
And-
used nutmeg in a powder form in
Oh,
baking.
really?
Yeah.
Oh, you're gonna love this. It's very concentrated. And one of the things I know you mentioned was Christmas spirit. And we love this because this is basically going in the diffuser all through Christmas, and it smells wonderful. And it's very cinnamony and clovey. And the Northern Lights black spruce, and here's your myrrh,
Oh,
and your sacred frankincense.
okay.
And then there's this wonderful limited edition ornament that it says Young Living on it. It's all etched. And then you can put the oil on the bottom with these little sticks and put these in there. So this is all.
You know, that's perfect.
Yeah.
Do they sell that in the catalog? Because I have a fake Christmas tree every year,
Uh-huh.
artificial. And I need some smell.
Yeah. Well, actually, I have to tell you, and then, there's one more I wanted to tell you about. This is very, very nice. It's called Higher Unity.
Okay.
And this is a very, very limited edition. It's about $150 if you bought it. But guess what? You can't buy this.
Why not?
Well, all of these products here, they're going to be free to you.
What? What?
Yep.
How?
Well,
is that?
I'm not giving them to you.
Well, who is?
They're from Young Living. When you reach $400 or
But
more,
but
all
why?
of these
I
are free.
mean-
Okay, so these are available through a program that we call Essential Rewards. And if you join Essential Rewards program, there are bonus freebies that you get at different levels that you order. So if you order $100, you get a free oil. If you order $190, you get a couple of free oils or whatever. And then there's a break off at $250, and then another at $300. And this month, it's at $400, which we don't usually have. And all of these products come up to about $375 in value.
Oh my gosh.
And so you're ordering $400 worth of product, and Young Living is generously giving you almost the same amount of value for free by just joining our rewards program.
Is there a fee?
No.
That
There
to
is
join
no
this program?
fee, there's no annual fee, it's free.
That is a no-brainer. Oh my gosh.
I
That
know.
is so generous. I don't think no, that's amazing.
So do you think you want to, see, this is why I didn't want you to total out, I wanted you to just get a
Okay.
tally.
Yeah.
Because I wanted to introduce this program to you, because if you want to order this, what you've ordered, just slide it into, and where you go into the computer, it says join now under Essential Rewards, and you place that order in that program,
Okay.
and you're automatically enrolled. No annual fee,
Oh my gosh. That's amazing.
but this is the good part. Every time you place an order under Essential Rewards, which you can only do once a month, so
Okay.
make that your big order,
Okay.
you are accumulating in a bank points that are redeemable for free products on top of the freebies that you're getting.
I was just gonna ask that.
On
That's
top of.
that's in
It's like a
addition
double
to getting
bonus.
freebies.
Yes.
No way.
Yes. So in Hebrew we call this a double mitzvah. This is
Oh,
like
I
a
love
double
that.
blessing.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Yes, I would have to say
So-
it's twofold.
Yeah,
I mean,
so you earn it by the first 3 months that you're on the Essential Rewards program. You're earning 10%.
10%.
Yeah.
That's
So if you
better
order
than,
$300, you get $30 in your little bank.
That's better than like a Costco membership, where you have that credit card and
Yeah.
they give you back, I don't know, 2% maybe, or 1%.
Yeah,
for,
I forgot. It's
2%
pretty
for
low.
gas, or
Yeah.
4% for gas. And then Target's like 5%.
Well, guess what? After 4 months to 24 months, you're earning 20%. They double it. So now, if you order $300, you're earning $60 on that order, and it accumulates every month. So,
my
but
gosh.
after 2 years, you're earning 25% on top of getting free products.
That is,
No fee.
that's a generous program.
Never
I-
expires.
Wow. Okay. I have a friend. I want to get her on this program. She just joined.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now she's on a really tight budget. Is there does she have to order every month? What is she all of a sudden one month needs
Yes,
to
actually, there is, the only qualifications that are required is that you place an order every month. Now, what is that order? It's only a minimum of at least $50. And you know that with all the products we have, $50 is not gonna be too
Yeah,
much
for
of a
me,
stretch.
that's not. I mean, I can see there's so many things in here that I would order, for everyone in the household.
Well, the way I look at it, everybody washes clothes.
Yeah.
Everybody washes their body.
Yeah.
Everybody brushes their teeth. And
It's like
we
a
have
one-stop
all of those-
shop.
It is. We have all of those products. And wait till you try the laundry detergent. You are going to love it. Because it is thieves-based,
Oh, I love
which
the
has the
smell.
lemon in it.
Yeah.
And the lemon cuts through grease. So all of that accumulated suds from chemical detergents that stays in the fibers slowly pulls it out. So guess what? Over time, your clothes get softer because they don't have all those chemicals built up. And you'll have less lint in the lint bin. You're going to love the laundry detergent.
Okay, I'm gonna have to do that next month.
Okay,
Yes,
now
for
that's
sure.
great.
Yeah.
So the thing is, if your friend that's on a limited budget, even though she's ordering maybe $50 a month, if she can't place an order 1 month,
Mhm.
she can drop out, but she has to cash in her points,
Okay.
and then whatever level that she's earned at, whether it's the 20%, she bounces back to the 10%.
Oh, the
So she starts
10%,
starts
okay.
over in the tier.
Okay, so cash out her points and
Yeah.
then,
Yeah, and then she
start
can
it.
jump back in it whenever
Oh,
she
and
wants.
earn 10%.
But it's just, to me, it's like a win-win. I mean, if you're ordering all these products and you get nothing for them, or you can order all these products and get everything free plus accumulate points. I
Oh,
mean,
wow,
it's like,
that
which
is
one would you
amazing.
want? Let's see, this is kind of like a no-brainer, right?
Yes, totally. Oh my gosh, I'm
So,
so glad. This
yeah.
is great. Yes.
Yeah, I love it, and I wanted you to know about the program, and I wanted to actually show you all of these products. And the thing is, if you had ordered the myrrh and the frankincense, that would be well over $100.
Mm.
And here you are getting it free. You don't have to order that
I
one.
love it.
Next month you can order
Yay,
your
it's a
laundry
bonus.
detergent.
Yes,
So, yeah.
okay. All right.
So, did you have any other questions, or? You know, I have to tell you, these are not the same products you're going to get every month.
Oh, good. Oh,
And
good.
you know how you feel on Christmas morning, like you can't wait to see what's in the present.
Yes.
That's how I feel the first of every month, because on the first of every month, that's when in your virtual office under member news, you'll see what the promos are for that
Oh,
month. And
that's
so they
exciting.
change every month.
Oh, that's
And I just run down to my computer and I want to see what it is. And of course, that's not where it stops, because then when you get your order, it's like Christmas every month.
Oh my gosh, I love
Yeah.
it. Yes. Yeah.
So I think is the best way to go. So go ahead and
Okay.
say join now,
All right.
and we'll,
Great.
place your order.
All right, can't wait for next month.
Okay,
For
great.
those promos.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
All right, thank you, Daryl, for
You're
coming
welcome.
over.
Okay, bye.